ANTF.
In view to create awareness among the public across India about the importance of social inclusion of differently abled people, magician and motivational speaker Gopinath Muthukad has embarked upon Bharat Yatra Inclusive India program that combines magic events with a social message. This campaign is being carried out with the support of the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities (DEPWD) under the Ministry of Social Justice Government of India. Gopinath performed in Shillong at Assam Rifle Happy Valley yesterday with an objective that through his art in magic, it will create a sense of awareness for the people of the state of the importance of social inclusion of differently abled people. Shillong Lajong Football